The Detroit Diesel Series 60 is a diesel engine that was produced by Detroit Diesel Corporation between 1987 and 2009. This engine was designed specifically for use in heavy-duty commercial vehicles, such as trucks and buses. The Series 60 engine was available in several different models, with varying horsepower and torque ratings to meet the needs of different applications. One of the main benefits of the Detroit Diesel Series 60 engine was its reliability. The engine was designed to be durable and able to withstand the demands of heavy-duty use. The engine also featured a number of innovations that helped to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions, making it an environmentally friendly choice for commercial vehicle operators. Another benefit of the Detroit Diesel Series 60 engine was its ease of maintenance. The engine was designed to be easily serviced and repaired, which helped to keep maintenance costs down for commercial vehicle operators. The engine was also equipped with a number of features that made it easier for mechanics to diagnose and repair problems, further reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Despite its many advantages, the Detroit Diesel Series 60 engine was not without its challenges. Some owners and operators of vehicles equipped with the engine reported issues with excessive oil consumption and reduced fuel efficiency over time. Additionally, some vehicles equipped with the engine experienced problems with emissions, particularly in regions with strict emissions regulations. Despite these challenges, the Detroit Diesel Series 60 engine remained popular among commercial vehicle operators. Its reputation for reliability and fuel efficiency, combined with its durability and ease of maintenance, made it a popular choice for many years. In 2009, the Detroit Diesel Corporation discontinued production of the Series 60 engine, but the engine remains a popular choice for many commercial vehicle operators. In conclusion, the Detroit Diesel Series 60 engine was a popular and reliable diesel engine that was produced between 1987 and 2009. Its reputation for reliability, fuel efficiency, and durability made it a popular choice among commercial vehicle operators. While the engine did have its challenges, its many benefits helped to ensure its continued popularity among commercial vehicle operators, even after production was discontinued.